today's episode, we beat vending machines, land an Airbus, fly jetpacks, and so much more. Be sure to stay tuned till the end to check out our video of the day. So let's jump right in. This is what I found today. These guys eat the vending machine JACKPOt.
Okay, so look at the situation. We've got a Coke, such a Pepsi. We've also got a, what is this? Drench. We reckon we hit A3. Boosh. What do you think, Jeremy? It's gonna happen? Wait a sec. It's gonna do it. Oh, yes! My God, it's Spider-Man. Turn around. Turn around. No. Turn around.
Only in the USA.
Stay on target. Stay on target.
Who needs a DJ when you have this guy?
I'm sexy and I know.
What's up, bro?
What, bro?
What's up, bro?
Take swing, bro.
Right here, bro.
Show some respect, bro.
I do respect you, bro.
Okay, I respect you too.
Okay.
Who would have thought landing an Airbus could be this offensive?
100, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
Chloe, what is on your face?
Beauty.
This happened in New York. Then, also in New York.
Hey guys, I'm in New York City just hanging out.
That's everything I found today, but if you'd like to see what I find next, hit that subscribe button and I'll be back with more great finds really soon. But before I go, let me hit you with this cringy conversation between Mark Zuckerberg and astronauts on the space station.
Control Houston, please call station for voice check.
All right, station, this is Mark Zuckerberg at Facebook. Can you hear me okay? So,
hey Mark, we read you loud and clear. It's a pleasure to talk with you today.
I think we should start by, can you...
Oh, it's our pleasure.
Can you introduce yourselves and your roles and how long you've been working up there for?
That's a great question, Mark.
So, let's start with a couple of questions here about the science that you're doing on board the space station. So what kind of research are you doing in space that we can't do anywhere else?
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.